Hello everyone, it's Marcia again with Then and There, and I have a project I've been working on that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm calling it Back to Basics because that's basically what it is. Junk journal um, throwback. Let's call it that. Back to what junk journals originally used to be. At what they started as, which was just stuff you found around your house. You put it together and make it into a book. And you take more things that you find around your house and you collage it or glue it in, smash it in, or whatever. I believe that's where my understanding is that junk journals originated after smash books came out. Actually, I take that back. Smash books may have come out after junk journals. But anyways, yeah, I have taken and made very simple books out of papers that I've had in my stash. I have a huge stash of papers that I need to seriously thin down because I have way too much stuff. This storage issue is becoming a problem. And also, it's just fun to not worry about, having a special theme or making everything look vintage or, doing things a certain way. It's more fun to just throw anything and everything into a book that you like. And this was also inspired by Renee over at GT Vintage Designs and Supplies. And, she did a video recently where she showed some very simple journals that were just literally just that, just junk journals, like the trashy junk journals that people are calling them now. Or what's the other? Flowish junk journals, flowish journals, things like that. So these could be used like that, or you can just use them as a journal and collage in. So I will get into what I've done. I have only three of these smaller ones, which are about 5 inches by 9 inches. They have the same number of pages, which is about 20 to 22 pages each, and over 30 pieces of ephemera to get you started on your journal if you wanted to. I really wanted to do this because of the situation we're in right now. Economically, people just don't have the money to spend on art or creativity like they used to have. So we're kind of being forced back to very basic things. So I gotta calm myself down and think. I have 10 of these larger ones, which are 6.5 by 9. So same amount of ephemera, same type of ephemera. Everything's going to be slightly different. Some of the things are the same, like the napkins for collage. That's pretty much the only thing that's going to be exactly the same, because there are things which I'll just show you a few. I'll just show a couple. I left the covers very plain. They are just file folder covers. They will come packaged just like this. Very simple covers made out of file folders, so you can collage them, paint them, decorate them however you want to, embellish them, stamp on them, what have you. Creativity, or the palette is there for you to be creative with. The pages are a mix of everything from my stash. Scraps of pattern paper, book pages. I have things here like a contract paper, school notes from my kids that they insisted that I had to use. Some writing papers, pattern papers, fun pages like this that came from a magazine pages. This is like a canvas paper that's been painted with watercolor, wallpaper, like a user manual, I believe is what that was. And they're all stitched in with like twine. It's a 5-hole pamphlet stitch, so they're quite sturdy. They should hold up to any kind of collage that you want to throw at them, basically. And each one is going to come with this bag of goodies, which has quite a bit in it. We have pattern paper, some pictures from an old yearbook from the 50s. All of them have a different type of paint chip in them. The napkins are basically the same in all of them. We have magazine images, paper, calendar pages. These are some little mini ones. A daily calendar, book page, Reader's Digest type pictures. They have interesting pictures. They're great for sparking a thought for journaling or an art spread or something like that. An envelope, children's book pages. These are also great for cutting out text because they're a little bit larger text, and they're great for creating poetry like that, or a sentence or statement. Wallpaper of some sort, pictures of animals, lots of bird images, and some magazine images like flowers and butterflies, some cut aparts from like old pattern paper. A note card, all of them has a type of note card in them. Some more cut aparts from pattern paper, die cut, negative, some more calendar pages, some street map from an old map that I had in my stash. Postcards. Some are like travel postcards that you'd get from places, and these were like store-bought postcards. They have to do with travel, and each one has a different state. A note paper, things to do, some tissue paper for collage. These are just some pamphlet type pages, some more sheet music and book pages. Like I said, some wrapping paper with this pretty floral on it, and some more calendar pages. So you get quite a bit of stuff to just play around with and just learn and see what you like. And it's a great way to get started with junk journaling or smash booking or whatever you want to call it. It's a great way to start that, and just have some fun. And these things are going to be inexpensive. They're going to so they're affordable, so anybody can just jump in on the creative bandwagon and junk journals and collage and art and all that fun stuff. They will be listed over in my shop, which the link will be in the description if you want to go check them out. There was something else I was just going to say. What was I going to say? Oh, I just forgot it because I kept talking. Oh, wow. Oh, I was going to say, these would be great for, like, kids, if you want to introduce kids to junk journaling or collage or art journaling or something like that. These would be great for that as well. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this, if you're not interested in buying them, at least, inspired you to do something creative today. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.